Okay, we're here looking at the new MG VS HEVX. It's the hybrid car, and we took it for a drive. I'm quite impressed with it, actually, and it's very roomy. This is the top of the line that they have, and it has a full length sunroof, moonroof that goes across the top. We were looking at the twin version of white with black. These are both two-tone. This is gray with black. Which I think we're going to go with the gray and black. I normally would go with a white car, but they convinced me that in Thailand there's a lot of road grub that gets on the car, and it causes road stains, black, that are hard to clean off, and it's not so easily noticed on this gray vehicle. As you can see, the full length moonroof. As for space, it's got a lot. We had I'd set the seats back up already, but in the back it has a lot of space, and it's covered up here. If you lay the seats down all the way, then it goes all the way to the front seats. Got plenty of room. That is important for your commuting with people that's got baggage coming from the United States or something. They have a lot of luggage to carry. Now this one's set. I just drove, and you can see in the back seat, Jai was sitting behind me, and she was comfortable. Me being tall, I was concerned about being able to see the lights. I'm having trouble seeing the street lights with the pickup I'm driving, and this one here I had no trouble. I could see the the street lights just fine. You see how I had the seat set in the amount of room. This is brand new. They just brought it in, so everything is still wrapped and covered. They're going to have to detail if we choose to select this car. Shows the full length sunroof, moonroof. It has 360-degree cameras that work really good. I mean, I was able to see her when she got out and walked around the car. I can see when I'm pulling into tight parking places. Just all in all, I'm pleased with the car. It has a little blue detailing here on the front end. They both do, the white version and the gray version. So I'm doing honest reviews and driving multiple different cars, and this one has the 1.5 liter engine with a 6-speed transmission, and it's a sport model, so it has sport shifting, has hill controls, really good sounding stereo. And I don't know what more I can tell you about it. I'm pleased with the car. I drove it and it was very comfortable. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. I hope you enjoy our content. If you reach down and mash the like and subscribe, we'd appreciate it. We're out.